Good morning, students. Welcome to the 9th standard social science classes. In our previous classes, we already learned about the one of the geography session first chapter, our state of Karnataka. We already over that one. The next one after that, we come to the sociology and finish the family chapter. Let us now we have to come to the history portion. Today's class, let us discuss about the one of the first chapter of your history and which is under the social science. That one chapter name is Christianity and Islam. The both are two is called as a religions. Religions. That one is called as a what? Religions. Today's class, let us discuss. Today's class we only deal with only one thing. That one is the Christianity. In the next class, we discuss about the Islam religion. Before going to the lesson, in this chapter we learn about the origin of Christianity and Islam. Then after that, life and teachings of Jesus Christ and Muhammad Paigambar. Then contribution of Christianity and Islam religion. Then the different sects of Islam religion and Christianity. All these points are discussed about the whole of the classes. But today's class we only deal with the Christian religion or Christianity religion. Before going to the lesson, since the ancient time, we can observe that so many religions have taken a birth and they have to develop herself only. That one is, I just given us some of the example, Hinduism, Zoroastrianism and some of the Jainism like that. But all these religions only are two religions as implemented more and more. That one is the Christianity, then the other one is Islam. The first one is Christianity established. This one is established in the year of first century. CE means what's the full form of CE? You already know about that. Common era. That one is called as a what? Common era. The Christianity established first century. That is called as a major world religions. These two religions is called as a major world religions. They spread all over the most of the centuries, and that one both are called as a Semitic religions. Then what is the meaning of Semitic? What is that one? Semitic means what? That one is the people of a Middle East. That one people are called as a Semitic. That one practice the Christianity and the Islam religion. That one is called as a Semitic religion. Then after that, these two religions basically originated from the Central Asia. Originated means that one taken a birth in the Central Asia and spread a different part of the world. It means that one taken the different parts of the world. Then next one, we discuss about the Christianity. First we deal with the Christianity. It is established, I'm already told that it is established in the year of or a century of first century. Then in the Nazareth provinces of Palestine under the Roman Emperor. On that time, the Roman Emperor are ruling in the places of Nazareth provinces. That is the place is Palestine. That one under the rule of Roman Emperor. The Christianity founder is Jesus Christ, who is the founder of Christianity. Christianity is one of the religion. Who is the founder? Jesus Christ is the religion. Then Jews of the Palestines had become slaves to the superstitious. What is the meaning of superstitious? The superstitious Kannada meaning is ಮೂಢನಂಬಿಕೆಗಳು. It means the Jews means Yehudigalu. The Jews of the Palestine means that is the one of the place name. The Palestine people of the Jews as a superstitious practices. It means the Roman emperor given a bad name, taken a bad name under the rules of Roman emperors, Roman kings. That is called as a superstitious practices. Then the one thing, next one is we have to come to the next one. Life and teachings of the Jesus Christ. Life and what is the life? It means who is the father, who is the mother, what are the teachings of the Jesus Christ. Let us discuss about that. Then many details of Jesus Christ of the early life is didn't available. Some of them is available. That one tells us to the Jesus Christ is coming from the poor family. He is one of the coming from the poor family. His father name is Joseph and his mother name is Mary. Then he was born, the birthplace is Bethlehem village near the Jerusalem. Jerusalem is one of the places name. Bethlehem village near the Jerusalem. And in the basically when he was in a small ages, that time he didn't get a good education, but he is extraordinarily knowledge about the holy books. He studied the holy book, he explained the holy books, and he gained the more and more knowledge about the what we call that religions, but basically he didn't get a proper education. Then after that he is called as one of the thing, because of the reason he explained all the religions, he given a helping hand to the poor people. That's why he is called, the people are called as he was a message. It means Masiha anta karitivi, we have to call it in Kannada. It means to say the savior of the people, who given a favor, who given a saving to the people. That one is called as a message. Who is called as a message? Jesus Christ is called as a message. At the age of 30, the one person is very influenced to the Jesus. That one name is John. Who influenced to the Jesus Christ? The John, the person name is John. The John at the age of the 30 influenced to the Jesus Christ and baptized. What is the meaning of Kannada baptized? Baptized means Dikshyanna kottakantadu. It means translate to the Christianity to Jesus Christ, baptized at the age of the 30. He just given to the more and more helping hand to the poor people. He explained about the religion of Christianity. That's why all the people of Rome is called as Jesus Christ as a what that godly man, Devara Manusha anta ivrನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Then all these development of Jesus Christ is very opposed by the Roman people. Then Roman people complained to the Roman emperor. That one king name is Pontius Pilate. That one king, Roman king is Pontius Pilate. The people complained to this one king. Then after that he taken one of the decision on that day. It means taken to the Golgotha. Golgotha is a holy, it means what we call that, Golgotha is one of the place on the day of Friday. Crucified means we have to call that ಶಿಲೆಬೆಗೆ ಏರಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. That one is called in English crucified the Jesus Christ on the cross. We have to observe the symbol of the Jesus Christ is a cross symbol. Is it right? Because of the reason Jesus Christ taken to the Golgotha. Golgotha is a place name. On the day of Friday, they crucify, ಶಿಲೆಬೆಗೆ ಏರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. That one is called as a crucifying of Jesus Christ. Because of the reason on that day is Christian peoples now also they were celebrated as that one day is a Good Friday. I think maybe this much is enough to your knowledge. I just given some of the home assignment questions to you. The first one, explain the Christianity as a world religion. The next question, what is meant by Semitic religion? Given a one or two example for the Semitic religion. The next one, explain about the early life of the Jesus Christ. Explain about the early life of the Jesus Christ. Then write one or two sentences about the crucifying of Jesus Christ. Thank you, students. In the coming classes, we discuss about the teachings and some other things. Thank you.